With more than 100,000 COVID positive cases and death in excess of 2,000, Pakistan now ranks at 15 in the world on the list of coronavirus infested countries. The cases of the lethal infection are now coming thick and fast, nearly 5,000 a day on an average, and daily deaths are also numbering between 70 and 100. While the number of confirmed cases was bound to rise due to rise in the number of tests conducted daily, the percentage of positive cases 20 to 24% over the last 10 days or so is actually what indicate how fast the virus is mushrooming now that the lockdown restrictions have been eased across the country. Besides, a sample testing done in Lahore by the Punjab Healthcare Authorities present shocking statistic about the prevalence of the deadly disease in the provincial capital. The test that had been carried out nearly 3 weeks back revealed that no workplace and residential area of any town of Lahore is disease free, with COVID positive cases as high as 6,70,000. One wonders how better could be the situation in other big cities in the country. The infestation of the virus in the community can be gauged from the fact that hardly any social class or a segment of the society is spared from it, while frontliners, including doctors as well as security personnel, charity workers, and journalists, are already known to have been infected in big numbers and losing lives as well. Now we have been coming across news of legislators, lawyers, sportsmen, showbiz personnel, etc., falling sick with the virus. Some of them are even counted among the total casualties. Even an honorable Supreme Judge has remarked that they have also been feeling the heart of community transmission. While we are mainly banking on the behavioral response of our people to the rigging pandemic as to its contaminant in our countries, it's worrying to note that a big percentage of people still have doubt about the very existing of any lethal virus in the country. No wonder the prescribed SOPs are being violated with utmost disdain. It's time for the government to go about enforcing the SOPs through harsh punishment and penalties.